Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can add a plugin on Roblox Studio. So first we are on Roblox Studio. Now you have to go to a project that you are currently working on, and at the left side you can find this toolbox here. So when you find this toolbox, you can find a drop down section here. Simply click on it to expand it, and here you can find different types of categories that you can add, and among those you can find plugins. Simply click on plugins and you can find most plugins here. So that's here the toolbox here. Simply click on this, and when if you can you might find it in the left side here. So when you can find these plugins, you can easily add all the plugins here. For example, this building or essentials like here. So for example, this animation tree here. So simply click on the plugin that you want to install, and you can easily find this install option here or button here. Simply click on install button here, and you have to wait until it installs. Here you can see it has just installed here. So that's how you can easily install your plugins. From here you can find my plugins in the toolbox here, in this 4 box here. There's your inventory, and you can find your plugin here that you have just installed. So that's how you can just do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.